Hello and welcome back to another video with laserengravingbusiness.com. If you're looking for an item to sell for the upcoming holiday season, then stay tuned and watch this video. This product that we've been making for people has had a lot of success for us, and most people buy anywhere between 2 to 7 of these all at one time. It's real simple to make, and I will be showing you everything you need to know to create this product and start making some money with it. Okay, so for the rest of this video, you will see the process I use to create this product. The product we're going to be making today in this video is customized stocking tags. So we make this out of 1/4-inch plywood. We have two options. We have engraved tags and we have raised text tags. So the next part of this video will be how we edit the file to customize it for the customer, where we download the font from, then the process of putting it all together, and then I will discuss the settings I use in my Glowforge, as well as how much we sell it for. And so just stay tuned and enjoy the video. So once you download the file from down in the description, you will see a file called blank tag svg, and you're gonna go ahead and open it. And for this video, I'm gonna be editing it in Inkscape. This is my preferred editor. So you will see a Christmas tag here. The laser will cut all of this out, plus the circle. Circle is where you will be tying your string of twine so the customer can hang it from their stocking or wherever they choose to hang it from. So the next step is to download the font. I like to use the website called thefont.com. And in the upper right hand corner, this is where you're going to search for your font. For this video, I like to use the font called Hello Bella. So search for Hello Bella, click the download button, open it. You will see a number of different options here. I use the Hello Bella Bold. Double click on it, click the install button. I already have it installed, so I won't install it again. And if you already have Inkscape open, you're going to want to close Inkscape and reopen it, or else you won't be able to see your new font. So go back into the file, the blank tag file. Here we're going to go to the text tool. We're going to type in the word mommy. We're going to change to our new font, the Hello Bella Bold. Okay, zoom in a little bit, and you'll see how the M goes into the O, and you can see the lines, and it does it for each one. So on. To fix this, you go to path, click the object to path key, and then you will go to object and group, and you'll notice how now you have each letter selected individually. So then you go to path union, and now you see we no longer have those lines. And if you don't do this, it won't engrave or cut properly. And so now the next step is to resize and reposition the word. So make sure you're in inches, and I will start with 3.5 on the width. Make sure you lock the proportions so the wording doesn't look distorted. And 3.5 looks pretty good, so we'll go with that. Now we need to reposition the word. While you have the word mommy selected, you're going to hold down the shift key, the alt key on your keyboard, hover over the tag, and scroll up with your middle mouse button. And this will allow you to select both the word and the tag at the same time. Now go to your Align and Distribute tool, and you're going to center it on the horizontal axis. And you'll notice the word mommy move down just a little bit. And if you don't have this Align and Distribute tool already open, you can hold down the Shift, Control, and A key on your keyboard, and it should pop up. So if you want to reposition it left or right, you just kind of have to eyeball it, because if you do it with the center on the vertical axis tool, it won't look right. So this one you'll have to eyeball it. And as you'll see later in the video, we offer two different options for our tags. This one would be an engrave tag. So the laser would cut out all the red, and then it would engrave the word mommy in the center of the tag that cut out. We also offer the raised word, or the raised wording on the tags. So the laser would cut out all the red on a 1/4 inch plywood, and then on a separate piece of material, 1/8 inch MDF dry board, we would cut out the word mommy, paint it white, and then glue it on top of the tag cutout. So we have two options, engraved and raised, and you will either see those options down in the description or later on this video. So keep an eye out on that. Okay, so we have both of the tags printed in the Glowforge, and this first one here, before we peel the masking off, it's just maple plywood, so that kind of gives you the natural plywood look. We get the maple plywood from Home Depot. The online store comes 10 in a pack. This is a 1/4 inch, and it's already cut to size to fit in the Glowforge. It costs right around $3 per board, and it is free shipping if you go over $35. So all the masking is peeled off of here. So this is option one that we offer, a natural color with the customized wording engraved onto the tag. The final step to this would be tying your ribbon, twine, or string so that the customer can hang it from their stocking. And then the second option we offer is the raised text. So instead of engraving mommy onto the tag, we print it just the tag, and then we cut out just the word mommy. So the tag is cut on 1/4 inch walnut plywood, and the walnut gives you this brown color, also from Home Depot online, and I will link that in the description. So if you want to use this particular plywood, you can. And this wording is cut out of an 1/8 inch MDF draft board, and you can either use the draft board that comes with the Glowforge, the proof grade, or I will put a link down below to a outside source that I purchased the draft board from. This particular draft board was purchased from a shop on Etsy, and I will put that link down in the description. So just peeling off all the masking tape here, and as you can see, the word mommy, and then I take a acrylic white paint pen. This particular paint pen will be in the description if you want to use this one. And I just go ahead and start painting the wording. And you will have to use 2, maybe 3 coats of this to get a good dark finish without any bleeding. So I'll go ahead and finish this off camera, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So here we go. I have mommy completely painted. It took about 2 coats. If you wanted it to look even better, you could probably do 3 coats. And next step is to glue this onto the tag, and I will be using wood Gorilla Glue. Just gonna put a little bit on my finger, and you could probably use a small paintbrush or another form of applying this to the glue to the word. Okay, so I have glue covered around the whole wording, back of the wording. Now I will try and center it. Okay, so I have the word glued on there. Will take some time to dry, and if you wanted to, if your glue does not dry clear, you could go all the way around. If you have some runny glue, which you can always take your time, put less glue, you can skip this step. But you can go through, scrape off all the excess glue with your pick, and it will make it a little bit cleaner. Okay, now I just want to talk about a few things. So for this tag here, this is our engraved option, and we sell this one for $9 because it doesn't take a whole lot of assembly time or painting or anything like that, but it does take a lot more time in the Glowforge. That engraving takes a little while. So I think this one tag here took 8 minutes and 30 seconds. We cut the maple plywood 1/4 inch at 140 speed, full power, and so this one we sell for $9. This is the raised tag, where the tag itself is walnut on one side and regular maple on the other, and we cut it same speed, 140 speed, full power, and the wording is cut on 1/8 inch MDF draft board. We paint it with a white paint pen and we glue it on there. This one takes less time in the Glowforge to cut, but it does take a lot more assembly time and more effort. And so we sell this one for $13 a piece. So most people will buy anywhere from 2 to 7 of these tags. Just depends on, obviously, how big their family is. I think our average order is around $40 to $50. And we have sold a good bit of these. We do take custom orders in case people want to mix and match, like they want the raised font on the natural maple plywood. We can do that, no problem. And we don't really advertise or take different colors other than this, because it just makes the whole process a lot easier. I do believe that instead of white, we're offering red also for the raised tag. Alright, so thanks for watching, everybody. As always, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't already, check out our website at laserengravingbusiness.com. We have a lot of different helpful files, and we have a project pricing calculator on there, and we'll be constantly updating the website as we have time. And as always, we really appreciate all the views, all the comments. So if you haven't already, check out some of the other videos. We also have other projects that you can make money with. We have all kinds of tips, and we appreciate you. Thank you.